How to transfer from Skrill to PayPal. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be quickly walking you through the steps on how you're going to transfer in the simplest way from your Skrill to your PayPal. Now, when it comes from Skrill to PayPal transfer, you are going to want to make sure to have a few things. So first of all, you're going to make sure to have a Skrill account and your PayPal account. Then we're going to use a middleman called ChainBuzz, okay? So we're going to come over to changebuzz.com. It's an auto e-currency exchanger. So you're going to choose your currency that you want to send from Skrill. So let's say I want to send Skrill in USD to my PayPal. Okay, so I'm going to choose my PayPal over here, and there we go. So all you're going to do is you're going to log in with your Skrill, log in with your PayPal, add in the amount that you want to send or exchange, then write in your email addresses, verify yourself, click on exchange. It's going to take a small fee out of it, and yeah, that's pretty much about it. That's how you're going to transfer from Skrill to PayPal. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.